Hello and welcome back. This is Stephen Bucks Coins and welcome to another catch-up. This is a Christmas catch-up. This particular coin is from the Isle of Man. This arrived a few days too late to be included in the Christmas set for this year. The Isle of Man Christmas coin for this year, hope you can see that well, this is the nativity scene. £2 coin. It has the nativity, it has Mary on this side, and several other characters from the nativity story. The only gripe I have about this coin, and it is a small gripe, it's a bit like, but not as bad as the Winnie the Pooh coin, the Winnie the Pooh and Friends from earlier on this year. It's very crowded within the area that shows the actual nativity scene, and it's a bit difficult to make out who is who. Now this may be due to the fact that I think this was a copy from a stained glass window, and they tried to copy the design onto a much smaller coin, and consequently it has, in the shrinking, there isn't an awful lot of room to show and be able to see the individual characters. As I say, you've got Mary here, you've got the infants there, you've got Joseph here, just underneath the 2/3 of a circle which has the Triskelion in it, and at the bottom you have a 2/3 of a circle which has £2 in it. And on this side you have Merry Christmas, and on the other side it says, let's have a look, Yolix Granola. I think that might be Manx for Merry Christmas. As I say, it's a very nice coin, and as I say, the only problem I have with it is the fact that I think the design was taken, as I say, from a stained glass window, and it was made smaller, and as a consequence you do miss out some of the detail that you can't immediately make out, and it's probably the one drawback to the coin. However, having said that, I am glad to have this one in my set. It carries on the tradition of wonderful coins from the Isle of Man, and it is a very nice coin, as I say, but it's not the easiest to see what's actually in there. It's also nice to go back to a traditional depiction of the Christmas story. Far too often at the moment we seem to be stuck in having our coins that celebrate Christmas being either a snowman or a Christmas pudding or a Christmas tree or cracker or something, or people singing carols. This is the story of Christmas right there on that coin, and I think, and this is just a personal gripe, having looked at the snowman this year, and particularly the coloured version of it, I was left wondering whether the snowman had run its course. I'm not 100% sure that it has. I think there'll probably be more, because I think that the Royal Mint hasn't quite done it to death yet, but it's not far off it. So that's the Isle of Man coin for this year. I do have some coins that have come in that were last year's coins from places like the Cook Islands, but I'm going to leave those for a while, so not to Christmas you to death with different coins from around the world. I may do a special one-off sometime later on, either this year or early next year. Later on this year. It's now January the 1st. I'm filming this on New Year's Day. So maybe just a little bit late for you, but Happy New Year, and I hope you have a prosperous New Year, and I hope that you'll very much come and join me in my ongoing hunts through coins, my ongoing journey through coins and banknotes, etc. If you think I deserve it, please subscribe. If you've enjoyed this video, please take the time and give me the thumbs up. It only takes you a couple of seconds, and you'll help me with my algorithm about getting my videos in front of people, new people, that much easier. So until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, ta-ra for now, bye bye.